Which one of the following logic gate is called as universal gate? Now, what is universal gate? If a given gate, by using that gate, if it is possible to construct all the three basic logic gate, that is AND gate, NOT gate and OR gate, then that gate is called universal building gate or universal gate. So, remember, a gate is said to be a universal gate only when by using that logic gate we can construct the three basic logic gate, that is NOT gate, AND gate and that of OR gate. Now, as far as NOR gate is concerned, if the two inputs of NOR gate they are shorted, means they are made common. So, A is the common input. So, the two inputs are A and A. Now, what is the output of NOR gate? It is A plus A whole complement. We know A plus A is A, so it is a complement of A, but this is when input is A, output is A bar, means this logic gate it works as a NOT gate. Means when the inputs of NOR gate are shorted, then its output is complement of its input. So, NOR gate it works as a NOT gate. Now, suppose we are having the two inverter, means here single input NOR gate it works as a NOT gate. So, here we will take two single input NOR gate and let their inputs are, input of first one is A, input of second one is B. So, the output of this is A bar and this is B bar, because when inputs are shorted, NOR gate it works as an inverter or NOT gate. And let the output of these two, they were given as an input to another NOR gate. Then what is the output of this NOR gate? Output of this NOR gate is here ORing of its input and whole complement, ORing of its input and whole complement. Already we had seen De Morgan's theorem. What it says? Complement of sum is equal to product of their complement. Complement of sum is equal to product of their complement. So, here complement of sum is equal to product, means dot of their complement. So, complement of A bar and here complement of B bar. Also, we know that double complement of any input is equal to that itself. So, double complement of A is A dot double complement of B is B, but A dot B or A into B, it is the logical expression for output of which gate? AND gate. Means here by using NOR gate we are able to construct AND gate. And the last one, suppose by using NOR gate. So, first let the two inputs of NOR gates are A and that of B. When inputs are A and B, output of NOR gate is A plus B whole complement and that is given as an input to what? A NOT gate. Single input NOR gate it works as what? NOT gate. So, input is A plus B. So, output is what? When input is A, output is A bar. When input is A plus B bar, output is A plus B bar whole bar. But double complement they will nullify and here we will get A plus B. But this is the expression for output of OR gate, means here NOR gate, by using NOR gate we can construct OR gate. So, by using NOR gate, as we can construct NOT gate, AND gate and that of OR gate. So, any logic gate by using which if it is possible to construct the three basic logic gate, that is NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate, such a gate is called universal gate. So, you remember NOR gate is a universal gate. Similarly, NAND gate is also universal gate, because in examination there might be a choice NAND gate. Then remember NOR gate as well as NAND gate, they are what? Universal gate, because by using them we can construct the three basic logic gate, that is NOT gate, AND gate and that of OR gate. So, the correct option for this question is D, that is NOR gate.